Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. You know our topic, direct and indirect speech. Today, we are going to learn change of expressions of time, place. Direct, indirect. This becomes that, these, those, here, there, now, then, ago, before, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day, last night, the previous night. Likewise, last week, month, or year, we can write in the indirect speech the previous week, the previous month, or the previous year. Next week, month, or year, we can change it like this: the following week, the following month, or the following year. Thus is changed into so. Now let us take up assertive sentences or statements, how we change them from direct speech to indirect speech. And we know the general rules. First, we change reporting verb. Number second, comma and inverted commas are removed and they are replaced by the conjunction that. Number third, change a pronoun, and we know how to change the pronoun or change a person. And number fourth, change of tense or verb. And last, change of expressions of time, place. They are the general rules. Now let's take up assertive sentences. How we change assertive sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. Now here we have to observe certain rules. Number first, reporting verb without an object remains unchanged. Reporting verb without an object remains unchanged. For example, if we have the reporting verb, say, said, admit, or whatever it is, without object it remains unchanged. Number second, reporting verb plus to plus object is changed like this. If we have here say, says, said plus to plus object. Now in the indirect speech we can change the reporting verb plus to plus object like this. Say becomes tell, and you know it. Says, tells, and said, told. For example, if in the direct speech we have he says to me, in the indirect speech I will write he tells me. Likewise, if we have he said to me, in the indirect speech I will change it like this: he told me. Now number third, comma and inverted commas are removed and replaced by the conjunction that. Comma and inverted commas removed and replaced by the conjunction that. Now these three rules we have to observe while changing assertive sentence from direct speech to indirect speech. Now, let us take some examples so that we may understand how to change assertive sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. Number first, the principal said the college will remain closed tomorrow. This is direct speech. Now I will change it like this. The principal said. Here we have the reporting verb without object, or there is the principal said, there is no object. If we have reporting verb plus to plus object, then we change reporting verb. The principal said that the college will is changed into would remain closed. Tomorrow is changed into the next day. The principal said the college will remain closed tomorrow. This is direct speech. In the indirect, the principal said that the college would remain closed the next day. Number second. Danish said I am the strongest boy in the class. Danish said, I am the strongest boy in the class. Now I can write, Danish said, here we have only the reporting verb, there is no object. Danish said, I am the strongest boy in the class. I can write Danish said or Danish boasted. We can write other reporting verbs as well according to the sentence. So Danish said or Danish boasted. Danish said, comma and inverted commas are removed and replaced by the conjunction that. Now here we have first person pronoun change according to the subject. We have here Danish. Danish said that he. Am is changed into was. The strongest boy in the class. Number third. I slipped and fell down the stairs yesterday. He said, I slipped and fell down the stairs yesterday, he said. Now here we have to pay attention. I slipped. This is the second form of the verb, and we know present simple is changed into past simple. But if we have past simple in the direct speech, past simple is changed into past perfect. Now here this is past simple. I have to change it into past perfect. I slipped and fell down the stairs yesterday. Yesterday means the previous day. Now I will change it. He said that. Now here we have first person pronoun they change into the subject of the reporting clause. Here the subject is he, that means third person, and we will change it. He said that he. Now slipped. This is the second form of the verb. Past simple becomes past perfect. He said that he had slipped. And now again the third form of this verb. Fall, fell, and fallen. He said that he had slipped and fallen down the stairs the previous day. Yesterday is changed into the previous day. Number 4th. He said, I saw him only last week. Again, we have to pay here attention. He said, I saw. See, saw, and seen. This is the second form of the verb. That means past simple becomes past perfect. He said that first person pronouns change according to the subject. He had seen him only last week is changed into the previous week. He said that he had seen him only the previous week. Now in the next video we shall take up interrogative sentences, how to change interrogative sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. Thank you.